Hey guys, today we are back and working on our display features here at our shop. So currently we have installed about 3 of them. We got a large scale pond, a small pondless system, we have a small basalt system, and then we also have sort of a medium range fountain system. So I guess we got 4 of them. So this one's the 5th of 7 to be built. We have a small pond or entry level pond we're going to be putting in, and then we're also going to be putting in a large scale fountain feature. But right now we are doing a larger scale pondless waterfall. So today we've already got our basin hole dug. We're currently working on getting everything fitted and shaped to make sure our blocks sit the way we want to. And then with these big rocks that I have around me right now, we are going to start building a pretty cool waterfall. So it's going to be about a 6 to 8 foot stream, but we're going to have about 4 foot of elevation change, and we're going to be using rocks up to 1,500 to 2,000 pounds. So some big boulders, we're going to get a lot of flow with it, and we're going to get a lot of action in sort of a short stint of an area. So the whole idea on what we're doing here with building all these features is we want to create an area where if you ever have a thought of, okay, I sort of want a feature in my yard, what are some of the different options? Come on down to our shop. We'll have 7 different features built so you can sort of get an idea of what different features look like and what the scale of them is going to be. So you can sort of try to start picturing these ones in your yard. So today, basin's going to get done. We're going to hopefully set a couple of these waterfall rocks, and then over the next couple of days we're going to get this finished up, buttoned up, so then hopefully this one's all said and done within a week. Let's get to it. The back of this, and we get some kick like that.
It's gonna have to be, that shoulder's gonna have to come out this way more than anything.
You might have to dig that part out a little bit more.
Yeah, we just don't have too much to play with.
Oh, you got more than that side. I didn't get the strap out.
Which is less than ideal.
I got that side.
Alrighty guys, we are yet again wrapped up with another feature here at our display gardens at the shop. Home base location. This one was a fun one to do, especially because on the other section of this shop we have another pondless waterfall that is considered an entry level. And this one that we just finished up, it's technically a step up from that, or maybe multiple steps up from there. But we have sort of the same length of stream, sort of the same idea of a couple quick falls in a little short succession. But this one, we went big with bigger rocks, a little bit more flow to it, and I think it really turned out pretty nice. I really like the way all these falls sort of crash off each other. I like the size of the rocks, and I love how it's just another area where we can actually come out and see it at our shop. We don't have to go to a site to see it or anything like that. But anywho, I'm rambling. Let us know what you guys think about it down below in the comments. Give us a thumbs up on this video, and if you want to see more stuff like this, subscribe to the channel. Click that bell icon and keep getting updated whenever we post. Full-length videos every Wednesday and shorts uploaded daily for your viewing pleasure. Take care, guys.